Another 5G smartphone option has been unveiled, the Realme 8 5G, the new entry-level 5G smartphone offering from Realme. The Realme 8 5G is set to make waves thanks to its competitive pricing and overall build. Hi, my name is Colin and welcome back to Ungeek. Today we dissect what makes the Realme 5G a worthy gadget to get for 2021. Ready? Here we go. As a new standard in communication, 5G promises to enhance how we can consume content. By giving us the ability to download 3 times to 4 times the amount of data in considerably less amount of time, 5G opens up the capabilities to do more. And we need devices that could keep up with that. Initially offered to just a select few who can afford a 5G phone, 5G is finally trickling down to everyone because of more affordable devices that utilizes them, just like the Realme 8 5G. The most obvious advantage of faster 5G speed is the capability to watch higher quality streams or download files faster, which is important if you work with lots of data. But another advantage of 5G is in gaming, as it can offer lower latency for a better multiplayer experience. It's a good thing then that the Realme 8 5G comes with a pretty good SoC. Realme 8 5G utilizes the new MediaTek Dimensity 700 5G processor, a 7nm chipset that saves up on power consumption and optimizes performance over previous mid-range chipsets. This capable processor is coupled with a large 8GB of RAM, and this configuration should help you power through on today's most popular mobile games. We tested the Realme 8 5G on our usual favorite rosters of games like Call of Duty Mobile, Mobile Legends Bang Bang, and League of Legends Wild Rift. Sure, the graphics weren't maxed out, but because of the new processor, high enough RAM, and 90Hz refresh rate of the Realme 8 5G 6.5-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display, our experience with these games are extremely smooth. Trying it on Asphalt 9, we had very little to non-slowdowns, and we tried playing it on high graphic settings as well. Genshin Impact, while having smooth enough gameplay and pretty consistent frame rates, we had to clock the graphic to its lowest settings. This is quite understandable as the game is a resource hog. Realme 8 5G's display is an AMOLED. However, Realme decided that you should still get a clear viewing experience with it. That's why they increased the total brightness output of the display to up to 600 nits, enabling you to binge watch your favorite Netflix show, YouTube clips, and K-pop videos again and again and again, and in pretty much any lighting condition. Aside from this, the 16-megapixel front-facing camera can record up to 1080p, and you want this if or when you have to go on multiple Zoom calls or classes per day. One of the key things that the Realme 8 5G has is its ability to quote-unquote expand the RAM when needed. This is their dynamic RAM expansion technology, where they can tap 1, 3, or up to 5 more gigs of RAM to augment the 8GB currently in use. This virtual RAM extension borrows a couple of gigs from your phone's internal storage space. This ensures that you get smoother video calls and video streaming with the Realme 8 5G. To keep up with your activities, the Realme 8 5G is also equipped with a whopping 5,000 mAh of battery and an 18 watts fast charger. The MediaTek Dimensity 700 5G of the Realme 8 5G can also smartly switch out 5G to 4G networks to conserve more power and optimize your battery usage. As this is an entry-level 5G device from Realme, the Realme 8 5G retails for just at 11,990 pesos, with an early bird special discount of 1,500 pesos off, bringing the cost down to 10,490 pesos only during the sale period. This will be available on Realme's flagship stores and on their official Shopee store. The Realme 8 5G will also be available in more than 4,500 Realme stores and partner dealers nationwide. And from June 25 to 27, the Realme Squad will get a free Realme Buds Q worth 1,490 pesos for every purchase of the Realme 8 5G. That's a pretty good deal. At the end of the day, what Realme 8 5G brings to the table is a device that will put more people on the 5G network. Aside from 5G connectivity, the phone also has a great build quality, reliable processor, decent enough optics, and large battery, meaning the Realme 8 5G is a promising new phone in its own right as well. Overall, we're quite impressed with the Realme 8 5G, and it's definitely an entry-level phone that should be on your radar. Want more stories on the Realme 8 5G? Check our full review and unboxing videos of the Realme 8 5G below. With that, I will see you on the next one, guys. Please keep safe, keep healthy, and keep on gaming. Bye-bye.